everyone, this is Zubair Ahmad Hashimi from MTA Master Technology Academy. Thank you very much for joining me for today's lesson. Let's start, and I hope you just learn from this lesson. This is a nice lesson on how to build a PC. Let's start. How to build a PC, it means in here today's computer are become, as I mentioned before, the previous lessons that we covered is today computers are become an important part of our life, and it's easy, and we can easily mention this one. But there are many variety of computers, and there's different types of computer. They are available in our daily lives. Which one is our side? And in here we know better. For example, we have laptop, we have desktop, we have smartphone, and we have tablet, and as well as watch and smartwatch, and many more. There's a lot of different types of or different shapes of computer, or they are available in their lives. But we in here, yes, we are going to talk about PC, or personal computer. I mean, our aspect or goal will be how to buy, or how to make, or how to build a PC, or personal computer. They are, for example, laptop and desktop computers. They are just what I mentioned before. We're going to talk today's session. We're going to talk about how to build a PC or a laptop. Whether the laptop or desktop doesn't matter, but we're going to talk on this part of the journey. Yeah. At first, building a PC, there will be a challenge for almost. As a teacher being, they're asking us, yeah, hello sir, how can I buy a good laptop, how can I have a good laptop of my own favor? And what I these all just made me to make this presentation for you. Let's start. Building a PC as a challenge for you, and you need a computer. Now a question is how to buy a computer. Yeah, this is what made our brothers or sisters, that how can I buy a computer, how can I have my own favorite computer. And this is what I'm just going to talk about this one today. And how to build a PC or how to buy a computer, these are all two aspects or answers, or aspects or that we are just going to talk about it. There is a step-by-step approach in order to build a PC. For example, we have to just apply this specific step-by-step approach will help us to buy a computer or build a PC. Step number one, the most important part is in order to buy a computer, you have to know your budget. The first and the main purpose of while you're starting a computer, in order to buy a computer, to make a computer, you have to know your budget. I mean, how much money you have. This one is important for you in order to start your journey from there. And this will be the first answer. Yeah, know your budget, and don't forget the. Knowing your budget will help you to buy according your budget computer, or order a computer according your budget. Next one is the decide what PC do you need. I mean, we can ask your friends or your brothers, or the one who wanna just buying a computer. You have to ask them about the computer. I mean, whether he's using computer at home or just now he's using the computer at home, and meanwhile a job as well. As for a good managing the system, the answer while you're mentioning, yeah, my brother or my sister, could you tell me about where you're going to use it, the laptop or the PC? This will show us or to select a type of computer. I mean, laptop or whether a desktop. And if he is using at home, on that time the best order will be desktop, not laptop, because desktops are expandable and they're cheaper than the laptop. They're it depends on the other side what they are just selecting. We can ask them this kind of question, for example, to know for better understanding. You can ask he or she about, are you using a computer at home, or for example, are you just using the PC for gaming, or are you a programmer or graphic designer, or no, you're working a computer on network for network purposes. These are all the questions you can ask your other side to know your own budgets, and as well as the way they're what kind of computer you are going to the other side need to buy them for that. Yeah, after that you just select a computer. Now you have three choices to buy a computer. You just select it, for example, a laptop or desktop. The next challenge will be how to buy a computer, how to what are the steps or what is the method to buy a computer. We have different options here. Number one is you can buy a PC that's already built, that's already been built. The companies, the large companies, for example Dell, HP, they are building PCs, but you need to pay for all the products that the components that they are used before. You don't need to buy anything else. That the computer is already shipped and you can have it. That's called pre-built PCs. They are, well-known Persol or the mass companies. They are just using the computer. They are building the PC before, and that it will be easy to manage it. Yeah, to have it. The companies are what I mentioned before. LP, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Gigabyte, Huawei, Apple. These are all the largest companies or the big companies. They are what their purpose is. One of the purposes are pre-building PCs. They're building for you, and you can order it and you can use it easily. It doesn't matter you're using Dell or HP. It doesn't matter you're using a laptop, HP or Lenovo. What? Yeah, as I mentioned before about that, it doesn't matter. You're just selecting Dell, HP, Lenovo, or Asus, or Gigabyte. But the purpose of all is, choose your favorite one. What you like. I need a computer that need to run our own different applications or strong application that we are having in our daily basis. And doesn't matter whether it'll be HP or Dell and Mac. It depends on you. Our budget as well as their need. You have to know your own budget and in order to order this kind of computer. And this was the first part of building a PC. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.